We are pleased to show you the 2020 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, trip computer, tachometer, remote window operation. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.